Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So today I'm before you with another opening in Mindtree. As you know, Mindtree is a great company which provides a great package for all their employees from the starting to whatever it is. So in this, we'll be checking what is eligible criteria, how to get on to that last date of submission, whole process regarding that, everything in detail. So if you like this video, don't forget to like this video. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon to get the notifications at the earliest. Everyone stay safe, stay healthy. Okay. So I'm starting to the video now. The link to apply for this will be there in the description box given below. So Mindtree is going to hire for 2021 off-campus hiring. That is for 2021 batch. It's for the upcoming passing out the batch. It's bachelor's in engineering, bachelor's in technology, 2021 pass out, CSE or IT, and circular branches only. So friends, be mindful regarding this. They are very specific about the branch, stream, everything. So this for 2021, bachelor's in engineering or bachelor's in technology, passing out in 2021 for the CSE or IT or the circular branches. Okay, minimum grade criteria of 60% across 10, 12, and graduation. That is above 60% or equivalent CGPA or equivalent scoring criteria across 10, 12, and graduation. Now here you can see the registration link. Last day to submit your registration link is open till May 24th, 9 a.m. and job description, everything will be discussed now. Okay, so first let's go for the job description. So we'll be discussing that in detail before going to know about how the registration works. Okay, so let's get started with that, about the job description and the CTT stipend, everything provided by them. So here you can see this is about the job description they have clearly given. That is our ideal campus recruits curiosity, courage, and responsibility. Now coming to the compensation or CTC details, that is Indian money 4 lakhs per annum is offered by them. That is stipend of 26K per month. Designation is software engineer. Competency is band CI, and the promotion and increments will be there obviously. Then now coming to the eligibility criteria, it's given graduation, BE or BTech, 10, 12 with 60 or equivalent CGPA greater, no backlogs during the onboarding, educational gap, no education gap during the engineering degree, IT streams, information science and computer science, securital streams like electronics and communication, electrical engineering and electrical and electronics engineering, electronics and telecommunication engineering. Now coming to the hiring process, I mean the selection process, full criteria is aptitude, then there will be a coding test, then there will be technical discussion, then HR round is the final. Okay, so these are basically the hiring process, what they are looking. That is in here in aptitude and coding test will be online, and technical discussion HR will be the virtual. Okay, so I think very clear regarding the selection process, eligible criteria, everything. Now pre-joining learning programs will be access to curated technical courses on Eurobit, Mindtree's learning platform, access to MS Teams collaboration platforms, practice problems, code work through by lead intervention to answer technical queries, legal technical assembly webinars and leadership connects. Okay, now the learning program will be learning program impaired online skills specific 90 days learning plan, mix of classroom and self-learning approach, tracks allocated based on business demand, leads assignment from a business as technical anchors. And now the post-joining learning program will be access to 2,200 plus technical and self-development courses, manager approval not required for 101 level courses, upskill based on business requirements through instructor lead, project shadowing courses, everything. Okay, so it is very clear. They have clearly mentioned regarding every details about those opening. So I think it's a very good opportunity. Please grab it at the earliest. Now we have discussed about the eligible criteria, everything. Now I'll be going how for the registration link. So they have mentioned here the registration is only till up to May 24th. So they're making this process through docs, I mean form, Microsoft Forms. So here they have mentioned like you should strictly be from Bachelor's in Engineering 2021 pass out, CSE or IT circular branches, and every criteria, eligible criteria must be strictly, and they will be assessing your profile, then they will be calling you for the online process. Okay, everyone who get registered to that will not be getting opportunity to attend the first round of selection process. They will be filtering from this registration. So make sure that every details that you're entering is well good enough and there is no mismatch in anything, and your resume to be the well good enough to satisfy them. So here they provided title, your first name, email ID, only one email ID. Okay, you should not provide so much, only one. Now mobile number, please enter date of birth, then university registration number. Please provide it correctly, because in some university there will be caps, completely in caps. Some it will be depend. So according to that, make necessary changes. Then qualification, you can provide BE and BTech is what they're expecting. They have kept the option the other. Doesn't mean that all other graduates can apply for this, because if any of the registration is from the other, they will be getting discarded. Okay, their candidature will not be accepted. So make sure you're from an engineering batch. It's for them alone. Now the engineering college name, engineering college state, district, engineering stream, year of passing. Then based on the information provided by your college, which month you will finish your final exams. Okay, according to the context now, it is very difficult because we cannot determine a month as per the schedule, but still just provide what is the current scenario about this. Don't try to provide this unknown, but still just make it to a date. Can happen. I mean, changes may happen course of time, but still make it to a date where your university have given you the information regarding, because the same student who is registering from your university is registered to some month and you marked it as unknown, then there will be some uncertainty in your registration. So make sure, read the guidelines of your university and register with that. Now, do you have any areas in engineering? You can provide graduate overall percentage, 12th standard, 10th. Do you have education gaps during engineering? Do you have dedicated laptop for your virtual learning period, because you have to undergo some education process? So that minimum configuration, Intel i3 equivalent 10 Windows, genuine 8 GB RAM, 500 GB mini hard disk, and all the specifications. You can go through that. If you have, then you can give it, or you can upgrade, or whatever it is you can give. Are you open to being deployed to any Mindtree location in India post in the learning process? Currently, it will be virtual, it will be online, but still you have to provide any of this, because these are the locations where Mindtree is available. So you can give that. Now, do you have a valid PAN card, your name? Do you have a valid Aadhaar card? How do you rate yourself in any of the object-oriented programming languages? And the programming languages that you are well good enough, pick any two. Okay, there are so much you can pick, but pick any two. Okay, you can select all of them, but they have clearly mentioned pick any two, so only select any two of them. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. And next option is, have you participated in hackathons or coding competitions till date? Okay, so if yes, you can give that and submit your application. So this is about the registration process, and we have clearly described about the job description, eligibility criteria, the compensation details, everything in detail. So soon after you watch this video, make your registration at the earliest. If you have still any doubts about this, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you have any suggestions regarding the videos that we present, that too, you can make it in the comment section. So until I come up with another video regarding the opportunities available all across, thank you and have a great day. Everyone stay safe and stay tuned to Online Study for You.